Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of the BLUESKYSEA dashcam. What I like to do first in my unboxing videos is to go over all the features it has on the box. And right here you see it has Wi-Fi, G-sensor, 170-degree wide-angle lens, voice recording, and HDR, which is high dynamic range. Now let's open the box carefully here. And you got this protective covering and then the dashcam itself. Alright, as we pull it out here, it's a nice slick design. It has a thick lens at the end. And here you can see the micro USB slot, which is the power cable, the AV in, which is your rear camera. In the middle is where the mount goes. And in the back you can see it has a 3-inch LCD screen. And as we move forward with the unboxing and we take out the protective coverings, the first thing we get out is the power socket itself. And as we open the package and we take a closer look at the cable, and again it's a mini USB cable. And then as we move on to the next one is the rear camera cables. And it has the rear camera attached to it. And here's a closer look of the rear dashcam, side view, and the back view with the mount on it. And has a protective covering on it. And here we have the red wire, which is used for the backup camera. Now, when you connect this red wire to your backup lights, it activates the backup camera portion in your dashcam, and it'll show some grid lines. All right, if we move on, we have the suction cup itself. And here you can see it has a lock and unlock mechanism. And on the top, of course, is the mount area. And in the back, you can see it has like a little protective covering on there. All right, and here you could see on the side, it has an adjustable mount where you could just pretty much install it on the window shield and then you could adjust it. And then when you're done adjusting it, you could just tighten it up. Now here you have the lock and unlock of the suction cup itself. And right here you can see the unlock button, and on the top is the lock button. And here's the protective covering I was talking about. Just remove that before the installation. All right, next we're going to move on. We have this packet, and it has a pry bar and some mounting clips. And the pry bar is pretty handy. When you're installing your cables, you pretty much push them down with this. And has another side, for a smaller side, for guiding the wires and sliding them in. This is a really nice tool. And next we have the mounting clips itself, which I don't use these because all my installations, you don't see no wires. But this is pretty handy in case you need to route some wires in there. And next you have the 32 gigabyte micro SD card, which is a class 10. And this is pretty handy. Now I like that they included a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. To me, this is a starter SD card. What you want to do is use the maximum gigabyte available for this dashcam. The more space the dashcam has to record, the more area you have for loop recording. Next, here we have the manual. As we open up the manual, it goes over the product overview. It gives you what the standard accessories are, and even goes over what the buttons represent. Then it goes over the buttons and what they represent, and gives them a brief explanation of what they're used for. And here it shows you how to install the dashcam. And next it gives some helpful hints on where to install the rear dashcam. The manual also gives you a description of what each of the settings are. All right, here you have a QR code to download the app to your cell phone. Here it shows you how to connect the dashcam's Wi-Fi to your phone. And then you have the customer service information. And last, you have an extra mounting tab with 2 screws for mounting the rear dashcam mount. What did you think? Was this video helpful for you? If it was, give me that thumbs up. You know, I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll list links in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments about this dashcam or other products I have, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!